Hello everyone, welcome to the channel called Chemical Serendipity. So Chemical Serendipity, I know that the name is quite uncommon, but yeah, there is a long story behind this name and I will be very happy to discuss that story with you guys, but we'll do that in a couple of days. Yeah, the meaning is basically the happy accidents in chemistry is chemical serendipity. So everyone in this world whose life basically revolve around chemistry, around chemicals, they all are welcome on this channel and they will get the benefit from this channel. As you can see, this girl in a round bottom flask with all the chemicals and thinking about the chemicals, so all of them are basically invited on this channel. So let's get started. And first of all, the very important question is that who am I and what I'm going to do on this channel. So who am I? So I am a second year PhD student at Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur, IIT Kanpur, and I had completed my masters from Postgraduate Government College for Girls Sector 11 under Punjab University. I am CSIR JRF cleared and with All India rank 65, and the star point is that I have done it in a very first attempt. In the same year, I had also clarified the GATE exam, and this is the important thing that I want to tell you guys, that I have a teaching experience of 1 year where I have also taught in the same college from where I am post-graduated, and in another college that is PGGCG 42 under Punjab University, and also I had taught in an academy that is basically for all the aspirants of CSIR, GATE and BARC and all those exam aspirants. So I had also taught many topics of physical, inorganic and organic over there also. So this is all about me. Now what I'm going to do on this channel and how I'm going to help you guys who are watching me right now. So as you know that whenever you are thinking about a goal or you want to achieve something in your life, right? So you have to follow certain steps, okay, to reach that particular point. So similar, you can see the things on this chart. So let us say the goal is, let us say someone want to do research, someone want to do PhD, that is a passionable thing that someone want to do, or whether someone want to be a lecturer, want to be a faculty in some institute, or let us say someone who just don't want teaching, don't want research, just want a stable job, right, in their life. So those are all goals of you people, right? So for achieving those goals we have to follow certain steps. So as you can see that the first step is MSc Chemistry. So you should have MSc Chemistry or BSc Chemistry, right? For those who are preparing for IIT JAM and they want to do their masters from the IITs, so of course like this channel is going to help them to go through the concepts and how to attempt the exam, right? So first of all, they should have bachelor's and master's. After getting your degree, we will hit this step, that is the entrance exam. Now entrance exam is basically conducted for the different goals, I would say, and that we have to clarify, and in those particular entrance exam you have to prepare certain syllabus, right? So in that I'm gonna help you guys. After the entrance exam we have PI, personal interview, and this is my favorite part, because see, a piece of a paper is not, I think, enough to, you know, explain about the knowledge of a particular one, right? Because that is not good enough, right? So I think that personal interview is very important, that one-on-one interaction is very important, right? So in this particular aspect I will definitely going to help you, because I have gone through the experiences of this, so I think I'll be able to tell you something about this, and after doing that you will reach your goal, right? So let's get started how we are going to help with this entrance exam and with this personal interview. So about entrance exam, so let's find out that what are the kind of entrance exams. So we have a huge number of entrance exams, like the popular one like CSIR, NET, JRF, GATE, BARC, Bhabha Institute of Atomic Research Center, TIFR, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, and many other like IIT JAM for masters, PSUs, all the public sector, service sector where we want job, a permanent job. And then GSI, which is geoscientist, which is conducted by UPSC, and there are many more that I have not included here. One thing I think you have noticed over here is that I have correlated every one of them with the entrance exam. So I have done it. Why? Because it's not like कि अगर किसी को प्रिपेयर करना है CSIR के लिए तो वो कुछ अलग पढ़ेगा, कुछ अलग सिलेबस करेगा, या जिसको गेट करना है वो अलग सिलेबस करेगा, ऐसा तो नहीं है. सबका सिलेबस ऑलमोस्ट सेम है, right? So on an average we have certain concepts that we have to go through very nicely, and from there the question is going to come, right? Now डिफरेंस आता है द लेवल ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, बिकॉज CSIR में एक अलग तरीके का पैटर्न दिखेगा, गेट में अलग दिखेगा, बार्क में अलग दिखेगा, TIFR में अलग दिखेगा. तो वहाँ पे डिफरेंस आएगा और वहीं पे हम क्या करेंगे, क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस में उसको एनालाइज करेंगे कि क्या किसके लिए प्रिपेयर करना है. बट द सिलेबस विल बी सेम, द कॉन्सेप्ट विल बी सेम. दैट इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग, right? So we are going to do the syllabus. Firstly we'll complete the syllabus, or after doing a particular unit we will do the question practice. In that question practice we will analyze that how to attempt a certain kind of a question paper. Okay, so this is about the entrance exams. Now about the personal interview. So in personal interview, now you will be wondering that how I'll be able to help you guys in personal interview, because it is a one-on-one interaction. But you know what, because I can exactly help you, because I had gone through both the cases, success and failure. Okay, so success was the so let's talk about failure first. So failure was IISc Bangalore, and the success was IIT Kanpur and IIT Delhi. Okay, so I will be able to tell you that where were my loopholes that I found, and where were the void that I really needed to fill out so that I can get the success, right? तो पर ऐसा नहीं है, देखो गाइस, कि कभी फेलर मिला तो बैठ जाओ, सोचो कि अरे फेलर हो गया, कुछ नहीं होगा लाइफ में. तो एग्जैक्टली कुछ ही नहीं होगा लाइफ में. बट उस फेलर से अगर तुम एनालाइज करो, सोचो कि हाँ कहाँ गलती हुआ, क्या गलती हुआ, कहाँ पे ठीक करना है, then only you can go to that success. So whenever you try, it will lead to failure, let us say. Again you have to try, again it will lead to failure. But until and unless you are not being able to understand this process, why this is happening, you cannot go forward toward this direction. That is the success direction, right? So these are the things that we will discuss in the personal interview session. Now how I am going to proceed on this channel, or how I am going to, obviously we will proceed with the syllabus. So how? So in your entrance exam, I had already explained you that we have a certain kind of a syllabus that we have to follow. So in that particular syllabus, we have 3 main streams, that is inorganic, organic and physical chemistry. Now एक analysis मैंने किया है सब question papers का, सब questions का, जो भी recent 7-8 years में आए हैं. सो देर आर सम टॉपिक जो सभी एग्जाम में डोमिनेंट हैं, मतलब जिनका वेटेज ज़्यादा है. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, लाइक जब मैं भी एक एस्पिरेंट थी तो मुझे यही था कि मेजर पार्ट अगर मेरा हो गया तो मैं फिर क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करके देखूंगी कि हो रहा है या नहीं. तो जब वो होता है ना, जब तुम क्वेश्चन कर पाते हो उसको, तुम जब एग्जैक्टली तुम क्वेश्चन को अटेम्प्ट कर पाते हो, सही आंसर कर पाते हो, तो क्या होता है, कॉन्फिडेंस रेज अप होता है. ठीक है, जब तुम एक अपने सिलेबस का एक बैकबोन सा कंप्लीट कर लेते हो तो कॉन्फिडेंस आता है कि हाँ यार ये हो जाएगा, मैं कर लूँगा. तो वो कॉन्फिडेंस के लिए हम सबसे पहले बैकबोन को तैयार करेंगे. तो इनऑर्गेनिक में जैसे सबसे ज़्यादा कोऑर्डिनेशन और ऑर्गेनोमेटेलिक केमिस्ट्री आता है, तो कोऑर्डिनेशन केमिस्ट्री से मैं स्टार्ट करूँगी यहाँ पर. ऑर्गेनिक में हम नेमिंग रिएक्शन एंड इंटरमीडिएट से स्टार्ट करेंगे, और फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री में हम स्टार्ट करेंगे क्वांटम से. यस, तो क्वांटम से. So this is how I'm going to proceed on this channel with these topics. And one thing you should clear over this point over here is that it's not like कि ऐसा होगा कि अच्छा कोऑर्डिनेशन है तो जहाँ जहाँ से आते हैं, कलर पे आ गया, मैग्नेटिज्म पे आ गया, तो ये पढ़ के चले जाओ, हो जाएगा. नो, दिस इज़ नॉट आई एम गोना डू ऑन दिस चैनल. मेरा पूरा ट्राई रहेगा कि यहाँ पे तुम अगर आए हो तो तुम एक कंप्लीट नॉलेज लेके जाओ, इनकम्प्लीट नहीं. मतलब you should not be only able to answer the questions in your entrance, you should be able to tell in your personal interview about the basic of the concept. That is very important thing जो mostly student lack करते हैं. Because it's not like कि entrance के लिए तुमने अलग से मगअप कर लिया, अब तुम पर्सनल इंटरव्यू के लिए दोबारा बुक खोलोगे और पढ़ोगे, ऐसा तो नहीं होगा, है ना. तो साथ साथ में हमें दोनों का बैलेंस करके चलना पड़ेगा. और बिकॉज पर्सनल इंटरव्यू में क्या दिखता है, एग्जामिनर यही देखता है कि सामने वाले ने मगअप तो नहीं किया है, वो ऐसे ही तो नहीं क्वेश्चन करके आया है. ही और शी शुड हैव द बेसिक नॉलेज ऑफ केमिस्ट्री, राइट. सो दैट इज़ वाई वी विल ट्राई आवर बेस्ट to start from the scratch. Okay, so this is how I'm going to proceed on this channel. So that's it. I think that I want to share with you guys about the channel. And the one thing that is a very nice quote by Albert Einstein that I want to share is that, see, when we talk about logic, then logic will get you from A to B, a certain point A to certain point B, because obviously it is a logic that from A to B ही मिलेगा, है ना. But when you know think about the imagination, when you are having the imagination about something, that is like, that will lead to infinity, to everywhere. So I think this thing I am understanding with time in my PhD journey, and I am sure that you guys will be able to connect with this quote, and definitely you will. So thank you so much for listening to me, and so get ready for this lovely journey. Thank you so much.